Coach V, and I'm just going over a bearish ICC setup. So first things first, we are on a 4-hour. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and draw my lines at the 4-hour high right here. And then I'm going to draw it at the bottom of the, at the bottom of this 4-hour low right here. Okay. So we're marking at the range on our 4-hour. We drop down to our 1-hour. We mark out the most recent low and the most recent high. Okay. So we're marking out our range. We're only marking out the body like that. And we ask ourselves, what part of ICC are we on? We just entered the market. This is what the market is giving us. So I'm going to mark this as our 4-hour high. And then the 4-hour low just so happens to be down here. So we'll do 4-hour low like that. And then this will be our 1-hour high, like I stated. 1-hour high. And this is our 1-hour low. 1-hour low. Okay, so now we have our setup, right? So now we need to know what part of ICC are we on. So if you look at this move right here, the market created a new low when it broke this level of support. So when the market pushed down and broke that low, that became our indication. Price is going to pull up. So this is why a lot of people get faked out and confused, because you think that in the range, if price breaks above that, we're going up. No, you have to look at the bigger picture and ask yourself, what part of ICC are we on? So I'm going to grab my Fibonacci tool. I'm going to go from the top to the bottom of my indication, and I'm going to patiently wait for price to pull back to one of my Fibonacci levels. So as you can see, price started to push up, and then it began to reject at the 38. No, it started to reject at the 50%. So with this rejection, I'm already wanting to enter. A lot of ICC traders are wanting to break at this line right here. You're wanting price to break at that low, but you are already late for the move. So now I'm going to go ahead and enter the market for a sell. My stop loss is going to be probably up here at a structure high, but my TP, I am aiming for the 4-hour low. So if price does want to go down because it rejected my Fibonacci levels, it will go down. So I'm going to go ahead and play this out, and we're going to watch the market push down and take us out at the 4-hour low. Plain and simple, okay? So when price pushed back, rejected, and then it pushed down. Ashe. As being a billionaire, as far as being a millionaire, you are speaking these things into